So we're here with Annie Rose and working for London Speigeltent Spoon here at Brighton Speigeltent. So Annie, have you ever had your mind read? No. Okay, well I personally don't claim to read minds, okay, but I claim to sort of read people. It is a little bit weird.
You're a bit scared.
A little bit weird.
You don't want to know what's in my brain.
Do I not? We'll cut. I've got a notepad here and I've written questions on them, okay? So I've got stuff like what's your favourite food, what is fun, I don't know like that, what is your favourite number, favourite animal, number between 1 and 52. There's lots of questions on there, okay? Some of them are repeated as well, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn my head and place the pad on your hand and I want you just to lift up and take a peek at whatever question you get to, okay? So just do that for me now, I'll turn away. Have a look and remember it. Do you have it? Do you know?
Yes, I do remember.
Yeah, you do have it?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So it's in your head now, this question, okay? Do you know the answer to this question? You do, okay. Would you be able to spell the answer to this question? You can, okay. So I just want you to picture the word, the answer to this question, out in front of you, like a big TV screen, okay? And I want you to see the words out, and the letters, and I want you to mix the letters up. Let's mix the letters up. There's an R there, yes? And an A as well? No, there's not an A. Okay, sorry. Is there something? It's not something like your birthday or your star sign. Is it? It is your star sign. Okay. It's not Virgo. It is Virgo. It is. I'm not saying so. Thank you very much, Annie. Thank you.